Good, YouTube? Show y'all something in a minute. Go, boy. Go. Go get it. Come here. Get over here. So I can see. Cleaning up this carpet. Cleaning it up is wet right now. Still got some detailing to do. It's been raining. So I ain't really been doing nothing. Show y'all put the steering wheel on. You know. Snap this in. I snapped it to get it in there, but we got it in here. Showing y'all that, man. And I was trying to get my live feed through my camera up there. You know. Show y'all real quick. Okay, I can show y'all real quick. This is what I was talking about. I was trying to see if this would pick up and give me the drivers that I need. I could download the drivers and just put them on a flash drive or SIM card, SD card and do it. I was just trying to do it from here. You see, it's connected to Wi-Fi. I just didn't feel like sitting in here, but like if I had the camera on, you see, bada boom, bada bing, it is what it is. Nice and clear. So just wanted to show y'all that, man. Fuck this dog. Oh, get over here. Oh, I hit a little dog. Get your ass off the street. Get. See, look at that. He be thinking I be playing with him, and I ain't fucking playing. Odie, sit. 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 Down. Down. Down.